Hello friends, this is Shorodip here again, and today we are going to start with the 28th August view of natural gas outlook, how we are going to analyze the chart and we will see that how the price action can behave. Welcome to all of you in my Easy Trades channel. It is your channel. So I hope you are enjoying my analysis of the natural gas and other products. Now, regarding natural gas, yesterday was the expiry of the last month's contract, and this contract, which was the second month contract, has become the front month contract. So as we were expecting, this is the daily chart of natural gas. Here we can see the daily chart of natural gas. It has completed what we were expecting as a rounding top kind of a formation. So when we look at, we can see that there is a rounding top kind of a formation with its support around 2.04. Now, there was mild breach of 2.04, but then the natural gas actually chose to bounce back. Now, if you notice that never it happens with a straight line, so there is a good chance that we may see natural gas see a little bit of bounce from here if 2.04 is protected. Now, how much it can go? If we go to the hourly chart, we will see that just a second, that it can possibly go till this point, which is 2.1819, which would be around 5-6% kind of a rally, because this seems to me a very important swing low which was made, and actually we can see a bounce towards 2.19, 2.193. But the broader theme, the broader time frame theme remains bearish. If I look at the daily chart, it is very clear that we have formed an rounding top, and once 2.04 is broken, I will measure that how much we can go on the downside. So here what I am doing, I am using this arrow, and once we project it on the downside, as we have discussed, 1.615, 1.59, there we can reach. So that will be again almost 20% kind of a fall if that happens. Okay, so if I measure that when 2.04 will be breached, what kind of fall we may have is close to, actually I should do it in the reverse way because it will fall from the top. So when I'm doing the reverse calculation, it would come to around 20% fall. So below 2.04, we will be expecting a 20% kind of a fall. But for now, a 5-6% kind of a jump is quite probable if 2.076 is protected. Now, as I already have said to all of you that I always try to look at, when we are looking at intraday, I always try to look at the super trend, and for the super trend I use this setup 10 HL by 2 and 2.1. This gives me very good idea about the short-term direction. As you can see, right now this is a confusing situation, but when if it goes above 2 point this kind of level 2.085, 2.9, then it will be time to play for a bounce back. Otherwise, if we see that eventually it is breaking below 2.04, I think that will be a level one should initiate fresh short. These videos I am making so that you can take an informed decision. I'm not suggesting you to buy or sell directly. So you see the technical setup, then do your risk management, and then based on your understanding, you can take your trading call. Also, see, let us look at a simple thing. This is NG1. Okay, so what if and it is trading at 2.075. What if I change the contract to NG2? So if I go to the NG2, I will get the second month farm contract, which you can see is 2.498, which is almost 20% higher than this. So you can understand that right now there is a contango kind of a situation. There is a contango running in natural gas, and you can see it is much away from this lowest point. It is much away from this lowest point. Okay. So this is the 4-month contract, which was the 3rd-month contract till yesterday, has become the 2nd-month contract. For this, obviously the liquidity is low, so most people will be trading the front month contract only. But if you want to have a keep an eye on this, you have to see that if it is breaking below 2.413. Now, if you are confused that if what is contango and what is backwardation, please see my video on contango and backwardation. You will find that in the evergreen concept video list. In that watch list you will find. So that's it from my side regarding the natural gas. So repeating once again with the front month contract, just a second. So for today in the front month contract, expecting a little bit bounce towards 2.193. However, if bearishness is too high and it breaks below 2.042, then possibly a steep down move may come. One more thing I just want to show you before ending the video is the dollar index, which is basically DXY. So I am going to the DXY chart, and as we have covered many times and we were discussing many times that there is a goodish bit of chance of dollar index trying to form a bottom here and possibly bouncing back towards 101 and 102. Exactly that thing is happening. So keep an eye on that. Though natural gas and crude oil are the kind of commodities that fluctuate a lot. So small change in dollar index does not impact them as much as they impact commodities like gold or silver. But still, this is something to take note of, and keep an eye on natural gas for the level that I have indicated. So that's it from my side regarding natural gas for today. I will keep on updating in my Twitter handle. So this is my Twitter handle. So if I go to the Twitter, so if you can see, this is my Twitter handle. So this is TRADER_SOURADEP. You can follow me here. So if intraday there is some kind of movement, I cannot publish the video again, but I post it here. So you can look at that. So this is what I have regarding natural gas for today. And I will come back with the update again next day, that is tomorrow. And also after this, I will record a video on the crude oil. Please watch both of them if you are a holistic energy trader. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon if you like the video and want to get updated when I upload them. Thank you very much.